Hey, what's going on, guys? So I got brand new tire letters from Firma Styles for McQueen. So on this video, I'm going to show you the whole process on how to replace the tire letters on your car. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you can see, I already have the car in jacks. I'll be working on this side today. I'm gonna replace the tire letters on this side. So as you can see, these are the old letters. So this side is gonna be the before. And early this week, I was actually working on this side of the car. So this is going to be the after. These are the brand new tire letters. I normally replace the tires and of course install brand new letters at the same time. So this is the first time that I'm going to keep the tires and just replace the tire letters. So the process of course is going to be slightly different. The reason why I'm gonna do it is because I like to have clean, fresh looking tire letters every 6 months or so on the car. I think it looks really nice. So in this case, I'm going to show you the process if you want to keep the existing tires and just replace the tire letters. So for the first part of the process, in order to remove these letters, they're really good, so it's going to be kind of hard. So there are a couple of things that I'm going to use. I will try by hand, but if not, I'm just going to use some pliers. And then after that, I basically going to use the Dremel. So this is it's gonna remove whatever is left after I replace that, the glue and all of that, just to make sure the surface is very clean before I install the new tire letters. Oh, one more thing, it's always good to have a professional with you. So I hired a professional today. She's gonna be my assistant. Okay, so we are done removing the letters. There were some of them like really hard to do it. These are permanent tire letters, so it's supposed to be there for a long time. And as you can see, the R is the one that we struggled for a while. So right now I'm ready to start with the Dremel just to make sure everything is clean before we put acetone, and it's ready to start with the new tire letters. Okay, now that I'm done cleaning with the Dremel, it looks much better. As you can see, there's no white, the glue and everything is gone. Make sure that you don't use a lot of Dremel because of course you can remove a lot of the tire, the rubber, so you don't want to do that, just a little bit to make sure it's clean. So it's ready now for the next step, which is going to be, I'm going to clean the tire with acetone just to make sure that I remove everything here. Alright, now for this step, you're probably gonna have to do this like maybe 5 times or so. So I'm gonna use acetone and a clean rag to start cleaning. Well, this is not completely clean because this is just for the first one, but just to show you, so you get this side that is clean. Just clean a little bit of that, and of course it's gonna look really bad. So that's why you have to repeat this process multiple times until it looks really clean. Okay, so now that you clean the tire really good with acetone for at least 5 times or so, and make sure the tires are really clean, it's now ready to start the installation of the new tire letters. Okay, now that we're done here, we're done removing and cleaning this tire. We are going to exactly the same process on this one before we start with the installation of the new tire letters. I am finally done with the other tire, so both of them are ready for the new tire letters. Now that we have the tire completely clean, it's ready for the installation. I got the letters here and I got the glue. Be careful with this, it's like really strong, it's kind of like a super glue, so make sure to use gloves or something to protect yourself. And I'm gonna place them in the same position that I had the other one, so for me it's easier, but just make sure that you find the best place to put the tire letters. Okay, so we put enough glue around the corners, every single edge, to make sure that we have enough. Don't put too much. And then find the best spot. So now that you have them in place, make sure that you apply some pressure for a few seconds to make sure they stick correctly in the right position. And what I normally do is I'm just finish the whole work, and then after that I can come back and make sure every single corner, like the edge around here and all of that, looks properly. If you need to apply a little bit more glue, you can do that after that. And then I leave this kind of protection film until I finish, and then I also apply the tire shine after that, and then I'm gonna remove this because I don't want anything to be on the letters, especially when I apply the tire shine. And that's it. Okay, now that we finished with the installation on both sides, the next step is I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna leave this protection here, so I'm gonna apply the tire shine right now around the tire, and that way I'm not gonna put it on top of the letters. The reason why I do it like this is because, as you can see, I have this clear film, so I can actually put it on top of the letter and nothing is going to happen to the letter. I'm going to show you in a second here. Okay, now the last part of this, the final step, is, so we're going to remove this, and as you can see, the letters are like new, nothing happened to them, really clean.
Yo boté.
There you have it. This is the final result for now. I think the reason why I left like some space between the light and the gear is because I want to put the lightning bolt here at the bottom. And then once you finish all of these, if you want to double check all of the letters, they look good. There's not like a problem. If you need to apply more glue, you can do it. But this is the best time to check that. And that's it. We're done.